Hello there, welcome back again to my channel. So today I will be trying Polygel for the first time. So I have chosen this Makartt x Emily Susanah the Expert collection. So I think this is a perfect kit if you want to try Polygel because almost all the things that you need is already in this kit. And look at this packaging, it is super colorful and fun. I really love it. And yeah, I am so excited to open it. This is the inside of the box. So basically you will be getting all of these items, and there are also additional items inside this box, and later we will open it. But first let me just show you the colors of the polygels. First is this clear polygel, and then the next color is called marshmallow. It is a light blue turquoise color. And then the next one is called grape floss. It is a lilac lavender color. And lastly is the pink color polygel. This one is called bubble gum. So you will also be getting your base coat and your top coat, and also these three glitters. This pink glitter is called pink vanilla sugar crystals. So it has these nice flowers and circles in it. And then this one is called cotton candy sugar crystals, and the other one, which I didn't open already since it's a bit messy, is called blueberry sugar crystals, which has butterflies in it. And you will also be getting this super cute 180 grit hand file, and this one is the dual-ended like brush and spatula. So this one is the brush side, and then the other one is the spatula. It also comes with holographic chrome powder. This one has an applicator already. And yeah, so let's open the inside part. So here are the other items from the box. First one is this mini lamp. I am so excited about this since I don't have a mini lamp, and it is so cute. It reminds me of the Apple mouse. This is really cute. You just have to press the top part, and you also have here your cord. And next one is these cute little rhinestones. Oh wow, I love this one. This looks like a candy. And you have here your pink rhinestone and some paperworks, and you have here the instruction manual. So yeah, and last but not the least, these are the dual forms. I love the packaging, and you will be getting like a lot of it. So here are my nails, and these are my natural length, but I have a builder gel on top of it. I don't want to remove the builder gel because it will serve as a protection for my natural nails. So what I did is I just thinned out the builder gel and just filed the top of it. So I filed it as thin as possible because I don't want my nails to be looking super bulky with a polygel on top of it. So yeah, I am hoping that it will work that way. And now I am just pushing my cuticles and scraping off all the dead skin. I am brushing all the excess dust, and now I am going to apply or dehydrate my nails using this triple vitamin keratin bond. So I have already chosen my size from the dual forms. There are two types of sizes, the one with the more curve in it and the one is the flatter. So I chose the flatter one. And I am now applying the gel base coat. And I cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Moving on to the application, I am going to start with this clear one. So I will be squeezing a little bit of the product to the dual form, and in here I just only use the 91% alcohol as my slip solution since the kit doesn't come with a slip solution, but the alcohol works perfectly fine. So I'm just adding some more of this clear polygel, and I am just spreading it to the dual form, but make sure to dip it in the alcohol or slip solution once in a while so that it won't stick to your brush. And now I am taking this glitter and will be adding some of it into the clear powder, or should I say polygel. So after putting all the glitters and flowers, I am just going to flash cure it in the lamp for about 5 to 8 seconds so that the glitter won't move, and we'll be adding the pink color. That is so pretty, but I am so nervous to apply it on my nails, so I am just gently pressing it but not really squeezing it so that the product won't come off. But don't worry, you can clean all of those later. So after cleaning the sides and the under part, I am just going to cure it in the lamp for about like 2 minutes since this is just a mini lamp. And I also cure the under part. For the moment of truth, I am so nervous. Let's pop off the dual form, and wow, that's so easy. It was super easy to pop off. Just gently wiggle it and it will separate. And since it's a polygel, I am just wiping the tacky layer with some alcohol. And now I am just going to repeat the same process for my ring finger, but this time I'll be using another color. So this glitter is the blueberry sugar crystals. I will be using some of the butterflies and circles from this one. Again, I flash cure it in the lamp for about 5 to 8 seconds so that the glitter won't move. So now I am just going to squeeze some of this marshmallow polygel color. So it's time to apply it on my nail. By the way, I really love this color. I think it is super stunning. But yes, there are a lot of products that are squeezing out, but I am just going to try to clean that up later. But as you can see, I am really struggling with this finger because I think I picked up the wrong size of the dual form. I think it is a bit small for this nail, so I am just working it out and just go with the flow. And then I realized it is not the dual form, it is actually my real nails underneath. As you can see, it's a bit bulky with a builder gel on. But yeah, I'm just going to cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. And this is actually my favorite part, taking off the dual form. I think it is so satisfying. And wow, I love it. So far, I love the color, I love the looks. I am just wiping the tacky layer with some alcohol. For the pinky finger, I'll be using this grape floss. It is this lavender lilac color. I am not going to apply any glitter on it. I'm just going to stick with this color only. So now I will be doing my middle and thumb. So I saw this design from Susanah herself. So she did this like swirls of the three colors. So I am going to try it too. I am just putting the products in this mixing plate, and I'll be using the spatula to get the product and transfer it to the dual form. And for the moment of truth, let's remove this dual form. And yeah, there are some products that squeeze out, but I will just file it off later. Wipe off all the tacky layer and let's do the same process for my thumb. So there again, I removed the dual form, and as you can see, there are parts that has no color or maybe it's squeezed out. But yeah, I'm just going to stick with it and do the filing and shaping of gum, and I will be back. And this is how it looks like after all the filing and shaping. I am just cleaning it with some alcohol, and now we will move on with the top coat. So I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds, and I will also be doing my thumb. Since this is a mini lamp, I can fit all my fingers in it. So yeah. And I am almost done. I am just going to apply the cuticle oil from Scales of a Mermaid. This one is called You're Very Sweet. And this is the outcome of me trying Polygel for the first time. I really enjoyed the whole process. I did watch a couple of videos before I filmed this so that I know what to do and not make a lot of mistakes. But yeah, it is not perfect, but I love it and I can't wait to try more Polygel products soon. So this kit retailed for $75, but I applied long hair pretty nails discount code, so I only got it for $65. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts about this money in the comment box below. And if you have video requests or things that you want me to do or film, just let me know as well. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!